In order to sew, make sure your knife has an awl. Using thread, cord, or string, sear both ends. This will help keep it from unraveling. Here's how you thread the awl. Thread the eye of the awl towards yourself. This is the end that will act as the needle end of the thread. I will call this the working end. I'm going to sew together 2 scrap pieces of leather just for demonstration. Once I thread my awl, I place the point on the leather for my first puncture. The sharp edge should be facing in the direction of my stitching. The sole purpose of the first puncture is to feed the working end all the way through. Pulling the awl back just a little bit will create a loop. You can grab the end of that loop and now pull the thread all the way through. Again, this is the working end of the thread. You are now ready to start stitching. Pull the awl back and then reposition the awl where the point is on the next puncture site, about 1 centimeter away from the first puncture. Send the awl all the way through. Pull the awl back until you've created a loop. You will now take the working end of the thread and you will send it through that loop. Lightly tug both ends of the thread to tighten. Withdraw the awl, gently tighten the strings, reposition the point 1 centimeter away, and repeat this process. Continue this process, tightening the strings along the way until you've completed your stitch.